Oh, it's a bit tight in this shower, baby. We used to have a bit more room than this, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
Right, we're over at Sharon's brother's house at the moment because he's got a poor flow on his shower. If you would have seen one of our previous videos, you would have seen that we got the first generation Showery shower head because we've got terrible flow in our house where we live. And obviously, that had vastly improved the flow of our basic system we ain't got a combination boiler in our house, but we got that from showery.co.uk. And anyway, Sharon's brother has got a little place and a very little shower, I must say, Sharon. But he's got poor flow as well. So we've got hold of this. This is the latest offering from Showery. It's got a slightly different design to it, and it's also been upgraded. So from the old one, if you have got the old one, this is the upgraded one. And if you want to visit their website at showery.co.uk, you'll see exactly what the differences are. But the reason why we want to try this one out as well is because it's got this lovely little switch on it where you can actually stop the flow and start the flow instead of having to fish about. If you're washing your hair, for example, you can like get yourself lost, and this can just flap about, Sharon, on the end of the thing and just squirt water everywhere, sort of thing.
Get soaked with that one.
If you want to see the differences they've made, you can obviously visit their website and have a look and see what they've actually changed. But first of all, I can see that the design is slightly different. The switch on the side, because it's got 3 different shower head settings. One is like a shower, what's it called? Rainfall, isn't it?
Yeah, rainforest.
And the other one's massage or something, and the other one's
both massage and
puts them both together. We'll show you that in a minute. But the switch is a lot easier to see on this one, and also a lot more positive clicking as well. So that's a good thing. It's got these balls in it, these different mineral balls. Now normally they had these in different chambers, but they've put them all in one chamber now. And the different colour balls indicate what it will do for you. In other words, soften the water, take certain chemicals and stuff out of the water. Again, if you want to find out what the balls do, visit the website and they'll give you the full information on that. But we've got this shower head now. But what we're going to do now, baby, is we're going to show them exactly what the pressure we've got in this shower. And then we'll do an directly exchange, put this one in, and then you'll see the difference. So what I'm going to do, baby, I'm going to move out.
And I'm going to get wet, I think.
You won't get wet, baby, honestly.
I think
I'm going to grab the camera and I'll let you do it because you're going to be hands-on just to show that anyone can do this, even you, baby. Okay, baby, so you grab... Well, you better hold on to that. You don't want to get wet, do you? Bring it down.
No,
I know.
He's that tall,
he's not that tall. No, he wears high heels, Sharon. Anyway, right, turn the flow on. Don't touch it. Just turn the flow on, yeah. Go on, keep going. Keep turning it. Is that fully on?
Yeah.
Wow, that flows worse than what ours was, Sharon. Now turn the shower head over. Turn the shower head over. Oh, look at that, look. That's ridiculous, Sharon. How comes is he ever clean, Sharon?
Well, he does stink.
Well, switch it off. Well, I'm going to keep it going, keep the camera running here. Right, unscrew that head off of there, just to show that we're not turning anything off or whatever. We're going to do exactly the same. You're just going to unscrew that. It's better if you turn the shower head, Shell. Right, put that one down on the floor.
Don't you?
Grab the new one and just literally plonk that one straight on. Right, now you've just put that on. Now on there is a switch, isn't there? On and off. So press it in, it says stop on the front. Press the other way, look, it's got stop. Yeah, right, so stop. Now turn the water back on fully again. Right, now again it's on, but it's switched off at the head, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, now just turn it on. Oh, you're having a laugh, aren't you? That's a vast improvement.
Very good.
Right, what one's that set on? You've got 3 settings. That's the powered massage jet one.
Isn't it? That's both.
Right, and now
put.
Right, now look at that. Now, okay,
that's nice.
That's fantastic. Right, just turn that over, Shell, like we did with the other one. Spin it round so it's pointing up in the air.
Ooh,
go on.
Get wet.
Look at the pressure, Sharon.
I am.
Look, it's in the ceiling.
Oh, there's your pictures there as well on there, which I've just seen.
Oh right, yeah. So you've got the 3 different waterfall. The other setting, I can't remember the name of it. And then there's the
they call it the rainforest.
And the massage, isn't there? Right. So what we'll do a little experiment.
Stop it.
And you can stop. Now that's the thing, Sharon.
That's it.
If you're washing your dog, yeah?
Yeah.
And he's running about in the cubicle down there.
I should have brought the dog.
You won't get wet, Sharon.
No.
Now, if you're washing your hair, let's take these off your face. Look, come here, like that. Right. Bend over. Right, now, let's squirt. Give yourself a wash down, Sharon. Come on, wet your hair, baby. You're doing this for the good of the people so that we can see how good this is. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's it. Right, so now now normally you'd hang that down, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
You'd hang it down, you'd be fishing around for the... Don't turn it off yet.
Oh.
I want to build up to it, Shell.
I'm just getting soaking.
I know you're getting soaking. You're in the shower, baby. Right, so you're getting all that wet now. You're happy now?
Yeah, I now want to put the shampoo on the head.
Right, now you don't want to turn the shower off, do you?
No.
So press that little button, Shell. Oh, that's fantastic. You've not altered no settings or anything.
What's the shampoo now?
I'll pass you the shampoo, Sharon. There you go. Right, get some lube over yourself. That's it. Whack it on. Can you bend over this way, baby? I'll give you a hand. Look.
Yeah,
I'm doing the bits you can't see, Shell. How's that? Look, all greasy. Look at that. Look.
Why is it not greasy?
Well, it won't be after this, Shell. Right, okay. Now get hold of your shower head. Again, you've not had to do anything, turning water on and off or whatever. You're not spraying water and wasting water, Sharon.
No, true.
Turn it back on. Oh, fantastic. I'll tell you what, Shell. Put it on a bit of power. Hit the old power jet, baby. Go on then, whack it off. Look at the power of that jet, look. Oh, she's going to be happy as anything. Right, hold on, baby, I'll get you a towel. The three settings are Eco, Rainfall and Jetting. Those are the three settings. And as I say, the main modifications to this is a better design, and it's a lot better than the other competitors' ones out there. There's probably quite a few out there. But we've used this. We had our first one. We had it for 2 years, Sharon, didn't we?
We're still on them first.
And we're still
those.
on them first lot of balls in there. So you don't need new balls all the time. I don't think so anyway. But this is it. As you can see, you saw the great difference. I'll stand on the outside, baby. Whack it on.
Turned it off. Let me get out.
No, I like you in there, Sharon.
Yeah, but you're not looking where you're spraying.
I am looking, Sharon. Go on, turn it on. I'm on. Woof, look at that. Look at the power of that jet, look. That is the jetting. There's that one, which is a combination of the both. And then you got that one. And look, you can hit the ceiling, Sharon.
Well, I'm really pleased. Now I want to get out.
We didn't have that before, baby. Come on in. Let's turn it off from there. Happy days. Look at that, fantastic. So that is from showery.co.uk.
And there's a present for my brother.
Yeah, we're going to give it to him. Hey.
Yeah, bless him.
He thinks he's getting something electrical for Christmas. He ain't. He's getting one of them. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this little video. This is just what we found with it. We've used one for 2 years. The previous one, as I said to you. But Chris has a very poor flow.
So we say goodbye.
So-
Because I must dry my hair.
Come on, get out. I want to have a shower now. I'll make use of his water rather than ours. See you later, folks.
Bye.